Kakapo, the flightless parrot. Meet the kakapo, a flightless parrot like no other. Native to New Zealand, this unique bird is full of surprises. Kakapo parrot soft-feathered, mossy green appearance aids in perfect camouflage. Despite lacking flight, it's an excellent climber. Kakapos are nocturnal creatures. At night, they forage for food, using hot air-strong legs to roam vast territories. Interestingly, they are also the world's heaviest parrots. An adult kakapo can weigh up to 9 pounds. Unfortunately, the kakapo is critically endangered. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve this fascinating bird's existence. Join the effort, save the kakapo.